How y'all doing today? You know my favorite saying. Here we go.
Let's go.
I got prices. Got touchless soaps and cannons for 159. Got a power washer for 275. I got all kinds of tips and tricks and prices on here. And hey, don't kill me if they're not all spot on. They're within 10, 20 bucks. Brown compound, green compound, everything you need to get started. So, with that being said, you just got to check out the video. Thanks for
What's
watching.
going on, everybody? How's everybody doing today? We're going to talk about equipment and safety and toys. Glass cleaner, glass cleaning towel, full face respirator, sanding paper, a DA sander, and my favorite, two of my favorites, blue tape. And you're probably thinking, what in the world is this clown doing with goggles? I'll get to that. That's what I used to wear when I got started. You see the little notches right there? I used to have tear-offs when I rode my dirt bike. Psh, take them off. It's pretty cool. Save you guys some money. There we go. Okay, normally this is my setup. Brown compound, orange pad, green compound, yellow pad, and look at this. Safety flange on the back, one in the front. Look at me go. This is supposed to be a white buff. It's kind of used. I use it on steps, but anywho, usually a green compound. That's what we use. And now don't quote me, I'm going to look up the actual prices, but the variable speed grinder, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is about $330, and I could be wrong, but I'm going to get prices, and when I edit this, I'm going to put it in the video. The Brahma Bull 6000, I think it was $189. It might be $200 now. So, and obviously that goes for both. So, here's how we operate. It's very simple. Now, if you want a little bit more of a bling at the end of this, get a purple bar with a white pad. Don't contaminate it, cross-contaminate it with the purple and the green. You have to get right on here. Like you can see, I got on here some garbage. You know, purple only, green only, whatever you got to do to remember it. I don't do this 7 days a week, so I'm probably doing it, I don't know, once a week maybe, depending on what's going on. A lot of truck and tractor washing lately, but so you can use either a green like this is, or you could get obviously a new one and a purple. That purple gives you just a little bit more bling. Not a whole lot, but it's just a little boom going on. Now, your yellow, centerless, of course. That thing I used for green. I got one time. The sucker was so stiff, it was stiffer than a freaking orange pad. So what I did is I just wrote brown all over it, and I use it for cutting. If you ever do a two-step cut or something like that. So that's that. Obviously, this is your first cut to orange, all that good stuff. Now, like I said, don't quote me on all the prices on the bus and everything. I'm going to include that in the video, but for this part, I don't know. These are 15 bucks, I think. I think the yellow ones are 12 to 15. The orange ones are probably 12 to 15 also. I could be off by $5, $10 or whatever. But now for me, you can get you I think the green bars, it depends where you shop. So where I get all my stuff, which I should have looked, but I didn't. But the green bar is usually 15, 18 bucks maybe. And I think the brown bar is like 10 bucks. And in another video, we kind of went over it, but it's worth repeating. To make your stuff last, your compound bars, you see this when you first get it, right? Like, I guess we could, no, use both ends. So you got your full deal and everybody goes here, right? Well, as you get down, turn it. Start using that. Bzz, just like that. Turn it the other way. Bzz, turn it the other way. Bzz, and do that with all your bars and they last a lot longer. And then, I mean, I still use this thing and it's down to nothing. But that's how you kind of get a value for your dollar, right? So, and obviously this channel's for newbies and beginners, so don't even look at these unless you have experience. Get the 3500. It's easier to manage, better on your shoulders, and it teaches you good habits before you move up to that thing, because yeah, that thing's a beast. And get you some good towels. And like this tape, I mean, I think you can buy this on Amazon, like a case of this for like 10 bucks or something. So if you're doing steps, you don't have a way to take the steps off, and you know, just tape it up on the truck if you're comfortable with that, you know. Plus you can, if you hit something on the paint or whatever, you can take some brake cleaner and get it off of there or whatever. But before you even get started on your cutting with the orange pad over here, get you some glass cleaner, your choice, whatever you like, and a nice glass towel. Clean your wheel, clean your surface. Fuel tank, wipe it down. Sometimes if it's really grimy and you got to sand it, that's a different story. You might want to degrease the thing first, and you want to get all the crap off there. You don't want anything getting on your pads, and because you've heard us all say, you don't rake out your orange one because you want that thing stiff as heck for your cutting. And then your coloring with the green bar, you know, you want this thing to be kind of soft. So, and then if you're coming back with the purple over the green, or you're just doing the third step with the green and the white, it's not really white, but it used to be white, you can go that route. But just make sure you clean your stuff. Safety equipment. Buy one. They're like $110. Go shineon.com. Okay? Sandpaper. That's a whole nother video. It's probably $15, I don't know, $20 a box, right? So, and my favorite, because when I started, I didn't know what the world I was doing. Like I said in the intro, this worked out great because you have tear-offs. If you ride off-road, put your tear-offs on here, you can put up to 30 of them. And obviously the tear-off will be on this side because you don't want to take your hand off the throttle. So I would put a half-face respirator on. It'd be this bottom part right here, basically. That's what I had. And then I put the goggles right here. And hey, I'm not gonna lie, I look like a freaking clown, but hey, it worked. And then I graduated and, you know, bought the full-faced one. But hey, it's all about safety, saving you some money, get the newbie started. And yeah, that's all I got for today, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out all the videos on this janky channel, and hopefully you learned something and save some money. Take it easy. See ya.